Well, things happen occasionally. Empty. Things happen. We'll put that as things happen too. Trying to use this kind of bit to enlarge this and keep them in order will be hard. But there is an easy fix that don't take a lot to do. Just get you any piece of scrap wood. It don't matter what kind of wood, just a short, small piece of scrap will be fine. Take your bigger bit and drill it. Now, with a good hole put in it, line it up over the hole you need. Now this one I would say make sure you get it tight, because it will move if you don't. You re-drill your hole. Makes it big enough to do what you need. Easy fix.